Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video I have a small haul for you guys. But first I want to answer a question that several of you have been asking, and that is when I'm going to start back on the village, because I keep promising that. And yes, I was supposed to start back working on the bank after the motel, but I hurt my back, guys, and that's not to get sympathy from anybody. I just want to tell you what's going on. So I injured my back, and that kind of put my spirits in the dumps. So just doing a few haul videos kind of helped me get out of that. My back did start feeling better, but of course, when you start feeling better, you start thinking that you're okay to do things that you shouldn't do. And I kind of hurt it again. So I've learned my lesson. I'm going to just let it heal on its own time, and hopefully I'll be through that. But also next month in August, my husband is having a surgery, and that may derail my plans to start working on the village as well. So I promise you I will get back to that. I just have to work through a few things first. Now let's get to this haul. The first item I have is this Glam Squad doll from Five and Below. She is a Series 1 yoga doll, and she was only $5. This doll does look to have some decent articulation, and I also wanted to see if I could do a head swap with her, but when I got her home, I did not have a Barbie that matched, so I'm still on a hunt for a skin tone match to her. The back of the box has some information about the doll, and you see her astrology sign, personality traits, and a short summary about her, as well as what is included in the box. You also see an illustration of the doll, and I kind of like the outfit that is in this picture more than the outfit that's on the doll. This one has pink straps and a pink band across the top of the workout pants. The doll did not have that. And there's a photo of someone doing a yoga pose, and if you're needing wall art for your doll's yoga studio, you can totally cut this out. This doll comes with a blue towel, one purple dumbbell, and there's a handle so the doll can hold it, a purple water bottle, and there's also a handle so the doll can hold it, a pink medicine ball, and this is just hard plastic. I wish they gave her a bigger one so it could be a yoga ball, since she is a yoga doll. You get a purple mat that's made of foam, and it is wrapped with black ribbon. So the loops of the strap is actually sewn together. There's not any Velcro. So when I was trying to pull the mat out, one side actually just came apart. So I'll probably just add some Velcro to this myself. You will have to work with the mat a little bit. You can see it wants to curl back up, and I have curled it the opposite way. I'll probably have to weigh it down, or maybe even glue it to some paperboard to get it to lay flat. Here's the doll out of the packaging, and I did take pictures of the other dolls that were available. This doll actually came in another skin tone, and there is, I think, 2 more dolls. I don't remember what activities they represented, but they did not have as much articulation as the yoga doll. Here's some footage from inside the store, and you can see the yoga doll with the lighter skin tone. And I guess I was going to do a YouTube short or something, and that's why I filmed it this way. And here's the darker skin tone that I did purchase. And they also had this surfer doll that came in 2 separate skin tones. The outfits were really cute, but this was just a basic doll. I did like the shorter haircuts on these dolls. Here's a close-up of the doll's face, and it's not that bad for a budget doll. I've seen worse. And she has some really pretty green eyes, kind of an orange lipstick, and her hair is in a bun. It's a brown color. She's wearing a purple top, and it says "Good Vibes Only" in pink letters, and she has purple straps. On the illustration on the back of the box, there were pink straps, and I think I would have preferred that. Her top velcros in the back. She has purple and pink workout pants, and there is elastic at the waist. Her pants come just below her knees, and this doll does not come with shoes. So this doll does have some decent articulation for a budget doll. She can move at the neck, side to side. She cannot look up and down. At the shoulder, she can go up and down, as well as front to back. and she can go all the way around. She does have an elbow joint, so she can move that far. And she has a joint at the wrist, so she can flex down and up, and looks like it can twist. At the hip, she can move front to back and side to side a little bit. And she does have a knee joint that is very similar to a Made to Move Barbie. And her knee bends pretty good. So for $5, I think this doll is pretty decent. It has some good weight to it. It feels a lot better than the Dollar Tree dolls. And I don't yet have a head swap for her, like I said earlier, but I do want to see if her clothes can fit a Barbie. Tanya is an original Made to Move Barbie, and you can see the outfit fits her without any issues. This outfit might work with a curvy Barbie. There is some stretch to the shirt and to the pants. Guys, I just can't get up right now to get the curvy Barbie. Tanya was already out from a previous video, so it was just easier for me to use her. I think an articulated doll and all of these accessories is a pretty good deal for $5, even if you're only buying it for the accessories for your Barbie. Next, I have this 2-pack Mini Brands Series 5, and I only paid $7 for this at Marshall's, and that comes to $3.50 per capsule. Let's open our first surprise ball. I removed the wrapper. Let's open the ball. Our first surprise is Smith's sugar-free gum. This is actually a new one for me. There are several in this series that I still have to collect. Our next surprise, and this one is Jelly Belly Bean Boozled game. I do have this one already. The third one in That's the Capsule. Pepperidge Farm German Chocolate Cake. This is just a box, but this is also a new one for me. Got some good detail to it. Surprise number 4. Oh, I see money. What kind of money is this? I'm not sure. Pesos, maybe? I must be missing a lot from this series because this is new to me also. This is the Sours Jelly Belly Jelly Beans. Surprise number 5. A can of Fanta Zero orange flavor. And this is my first canned drink from the Mini Brands. And I know from watching other YouTube channels, this is way too large for a Barbie. Let's open our second ball. Let's open the ball. Surprise number 1. And we have mini hot glue gun. I do have one of these already, so this is a duplicate, which is fine by me. I really like these. Surprise number 2 is, oh, I think money fell out. Yes, we got some pounds. You see the queen. And our other surprise in that bag is a carton of Minute Maid orange juice, and I do believe I have several of these. Surprise number 3. Oh, this is new. Lance Toast Cheese Peanut Butter Crackers. Let me know if you ate these as a kid or if you eat them now. I've never liked these. Surprise number 4 is Campbell's Skillet Chicken Marsala Sauce. And this is just a little bag, and I think there's foam inside of it. Surprise number 5. Oh, wow. I got the Coca-Cola Zero Frozen Moments, and this is only the second Frozen Moments I've ever gotten, and it does come with instructions. So here's what it looks like put together. I think these are pretty cool. I do wish it was Barbie size. I might be able to get away with the glass, but definitely not the can. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.